Hey guys, um, what we see here is a 1979 Casablanca Zephyr in polished brass, 52-inch.
Yep.
This is Brandon's phone recording. I'm not recording because I made the video of it with Brian, which is going to be uploaded very soon.
Yeah.
So he's using my tripod right now. But yeah. So this fan, like I said, polished brass. I got this this January. It was a local marketplace find. These were currently distributed by Nadair as the Zephyr.
Oh.
But it still says Casablanca Fan Company on the search housing.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, do close up. Okay.
Careful with the tripod.
So where are the stickers up there?
There's stickers up there.
Is how many?
There's one here, there's one there, there's one there.
Okay, there's one sticker right there. Okay.
There's another one there.
Let's just hope my camera can still focus.
That's pretty good.
There we go, right there, and then the third one.
Third one, it's the actual Casablanca fan.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There's a date on the bottom left. Or mine right, I guess.
There we go.
It's
Oh.
kind of out of focus
Oh
now.
God, it was staying in focus before. Sorry guys, I always have to keep. Oh, there we go. Oh, is this how you put your camera? There you go, right there. There you go. Hopefully it stays in focus for long.
Pause if you want to read.
Yeah, pause if you want to read. All right, there you go. Is there a Casablanca? Oh yes, there is.
Yeah.
Is this the only Casablanca sticker
Yeah,
here?
there's only one on one side. There's a variable speed control.
Oh yeah, I'll show. Yeah, this is the.
Yeah, kind of close though.
Whoops. This is the.
Gotta be careful. Yeah.
That's the variable speed. Now my keeps going on and off out of focus. Yeah, that's the variable speed knob, and then on this, then we got the pull chain.
Only on and off. And
Only on and off with tassel.
Oh yeah, but there's a reverse switch.
Oh, it's also a reverse switch as well.
The reverse switch is right here in the vent.
Oh yes.
It's a very interesting spot.
Oh yeah, reverse switch. I've seen this many times at Casablanca's and other. Yeah, I think with many other types of variable speed fans. I think it's Casablanca fans.
Yeah, I've never seen any other thing like that.
Anyways,
I'm gonna put it at an angle. There we go.
Hopefully,
Wait, you were there. You had it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hopefully, it got it back to the right frame I want it. I mean, I'm not used to,
Alright, without further ado,
There's low.
that's the lowest speed.
Ooh, I lost that frame. There we go. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get the frame back.
This is the lowest speed I set. I set the low trim. It's a tiny cardboard box, variable speed control.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pain to like install and remove because you have like to hold the fan while putting the screws in the junction box. And these fans are pretty heavy, so it's a pretty inconvenient way to mount those fans. So I had this in my room like during winter.
Yeah.
When I got it, I put it in my room. And it kind of wobbles though. It kind of wobbled. So I can never really use it on higher speeds.
Don't know if my camera mic is picking up, but you might hear some banging on
There's some
ceiling.
rain.
Yeah, it's raining.
flywheel is a little bit warped, but it can work. I also have an anti-brass one like this. It has a reverse switch, a variable speed. Everything is the same year, same date. It's just an anti-brass. I'll go over to the quarter of a turn.
Yep.
So the spin does not really change, even on the lowest side. When it's closer to high speed, the speed changes more.
Oh, I hear it humming.
Of course, it's on a variable speed, but it's not that loud. Yeah, this is the speed I usually use it on when it was in my room.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of like speed kind of before it kind of wobbles. Alright, I'll do another quarter of a turn. So yeah, Brian is at the Toronto airport.
Oh, he's there now?
Yeah, he's there right now.
Oh.
And the fan kind of wobbles a little bit.
Oh, yeah. It was a wobble.
And flywheel is I'll do eighth of a turn. Yeah, and like I said, this one the speed changes the most. I'll do another 8 of a turn. It's not high.
Yeah. I've only got one variable speed knob fan now. It's my first one far.
I have 8 variable speed controls now.
Yeah, so
I have one that's in my room at my dad's house. I have 5 here in the shed, and one in two in the basement.
Yeah, those variable speed controls, you're actually, well, you said this temper, you got other two, and you're gonna give the 2 you got to Brian.
Brian only wants one. So he like kind of pulled a prank on me. Brian's gonna upload a video on that. And he said like, I'll upload this prank, and I'll give you one of the solid state controls. So he's only gonna give one. Grab one. Alright, here's mine.
Yeah. Yeah, when it reaches high, do you pull the chain normally or no? I don't think. Alright. Alright, yeah, airflow test now. Get a close up here. Oh yeah, this fan moves a lot of air. Oh yeah, there we go. There are the blades there.
Yeah,
get a top shot of it. Just like this. There we go. And there's the down rod and canopy there. I didn't show it at the beginning.
I wish I had like a spiral down now. Like some stuff there's a Victoria's hat.
Yeah.
That's fine. Yeah. It's in really, really good shape.
Yeah, so that's your top shot right there. And yeah, oh, I bumped it. The tripod again. Dear. Who knows if I can get that frame back.
No. There, now you have it.
Oh, this is it right here.
Alright, here's off. We're gonna do reverse too since it's reversible.
Oh yeah, this is reversible.
We're gonna do should we do like high on reverse?
What did you guys do on reverse?
I don't even know.
Oh, well.
Let me just look at it really quickly.
Make sure the audio is off, or else it'll end up in my video.
The audio is always off.
Yeah.
Wait a second. So we did a high reverse and then we just turned it off.
Oh, you guys just did high reverse as well?
Yeah, and after that we didn't go through the speeds.
Oh. Yeah, I thought normally we would start with high on reverse, then go down the speeds to low.
But we just went through high and then that's it.
Alright.
And we didn't have to spin down. So that'll be like a 0 to high on reverse.
Yeah.
I'll flip the switch. Alright, here's high reverse.
There we go. Sure you just don't want to go through high, then go through quickly down all the speeds to low? There's yep, that's high.
Alright, I'll slow it down.
Medium.
I'll do like big leaps still on this. That was just the speeds.
Yeah, we showed high there for a bit, and then yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna like speed it up very slowly. I'm in the video.
Oh, now you're in the video. Oh, is this all the way to low now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're just doing a quick reverse here. I think we showed high long enough, right? Did we?
Let's speed it up very slowly.
Yeah, speed it up back to high now.
Yeah.
There we go. I don't need to do close up again.
No. Alright, well that's it.
Well, that's it. So this is the last fan we're testing today here at Alex the Fan Man's house.
Yeah.
It's actually gonna be my last time here.
Yeah.
Next 2 days of this trip because he's gonna be going to his dad's house, so
Yeah.
I'll just be elsewhere. So yeah. Anyways, so I hope you all enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.